Hello everyone. It's great to have you back on GK Tech Inside. I am Gyan. Today we will uncover some of the hidden Excel gems and take our skills to the next level. Whether you are a beginner or seasoned user, there's always something to discover. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest insight. Let's deep dive in. Number one. So you have this content here which has a mix of numbers and text here. So you will see here you have number and text. Now let's say you want to extract only numbers from this particular text. How you can do that? Type 1 here, the number which you have in this particular text, and then place your cursor here and hold your control, press E. It will get all the numeric values from this particular content here. So control E is nothing but a flash fill function here. So you see this, it has extracted all the numeric values from this text here. How simple is that? Next one, you have a file path here. Now you want to extract only file name here. How you can do that? Press Ctrl H to bring the replace find and replace dialog box. Then type it asterisk, then backslash, and then click on replace all. So what it does is it has removed all the backslash here and it has just extracted and gave you all the file names here. Next one. This is always a pain problem here whenever you extract a copy or numeric value from any other sources. Maybe it can be an SQL or any other source. Sometimes what happens, even it's a numeric value, it copied as a text here. So now if you see this, it doesn't sum the value. The reason for this is it's a text, it's considering as a text value. Now how you can do that is click on this cell, copy, select the entire column here, right click, go to the paste special, a dialog box will open up, click on add, click on this value and click OK. You will see it has turned into a numeric value. Now you can see the sum value also, it's summing up this value. Now one more way to remove this text is you can type 1 here in all the cells and then type equal, select this cell, multiply by this, press enter, drag it till the end, and now you will see you can sum this value here. But the only thing is it will be done in the next column or in the other column, not in the same one. Next one, screenshot. Now let's say you have some files or anything which is in there in the taskbar which is open up, right, and you want to take a snapshot. I mean, you can do it either through print screen or you can take a snippet of it and you can paste it over here. But then there's another shortcut in Excel where you can take a screenshot directly. Go to the insert, illustration, screenshot, and click on this. It will take you the snippet of this entire file and it will paste it over here. Next one. Now this is my table. I have some blank values here. I want to highlight those blank values and I want to remove those rows also wherever there is a blank value here. You can press Ctrl H. You can click on find all. You will see there are some 4 values. Select all, close this, highlight those values here. You will see all the blank cell values are highlighted in this. Now you press Ctrl minus, a delete dialog box will open up. Then you can click on the entire row and click OK. This is how you can remove the blank cell values with that entire row. Now next one, I have first name and last name as a column. and there would be some duplicate values. In this case, these are the duplicate values and so on, right? So if I want to remove the duplicate values with different combinations, right, with multiple combinations, how can I do that? Select the entire table, go to the data, click on this remove duplicates. It will ask whether your data has an header. I said yes. And then I want to apply a duplicate. I want to find out the unique combination which includes first name and last name. I've selected both the columns here. Click on OK, and it has said it has two duplicate values and 13 unique values here. So it has removed the duplicate values from this particular table. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us in today's session. We value your feedback, so please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this content with your friends, and subscribe to our network for more amazing updates. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.